Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Xbox controller to a Nintendo Switch. While a direct connection isn't possible, you can easily bridge this gap using a third-party adapter. This allows you to enjoy your favorite Switch games with the familiar feel and ergonomics of an Xbox controller, enhancing your gaming experience significantly. It's a straightforward process that opens up new possibilities for your gameplay. To make this connection, you'll need a wireless adapter, often from brands like 8BitDo or Mayflash. These small devices typically plug into your Switch dock's USB port or directly into the console via a USB-C connector. They act as a translator, allowing your Xbox controller's signal to be understood by the Switch. Expect to spend around $20 to $35 for a reliable adapter, a small investment for enhanced comfort. Once you have your adapter, the setup is quite simple. First, plug the adapter into your Switch dock or console. Then, put the adapter into its pairing mode, usually by pressing a small button. Next, put your Xbox controller into its pairing mode by holding the sync button. The adapter and controller will then connect, often indicated by solid LED lights. You're now ready to play. Connecting an Xbox controller offers several advantages, primarily improved comfort and familiarity for many players, especially during longer gaming sessions. While most functions will work seamlessly, remember that some unique Switch features, like HD Rumble or Amiibo scanning, are not supported. Latency is usually minimal with quality adapters, ensuring a smooth experience. It's a fantastic way to customize your Switch gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.